This is a recap of the trades I was looking at on Monday. Was supposed to be Sunday, but I did it early in the morning on Monday. Okay, on gold, I was expecting a pullback. On Monday, we're still up here, up in this candle. Then I was looking for a pullback towards down here. I was looking for a pullback, then boom, head up. This is a trade that I actually took on my account. Then I just went down to the lower time frames to see what's going on. Then took my entry right here. Since we broke this zone, I was looking for a retest to come back and retest the zone, then head all the way up. For me, I took a 1:2 trade right here. Could have been more, but I didn't want to be greedy. And this candle was looking kind of funny, looked like it was rejecting. But we could have gotten a 1:4 trade here, easy. But got a 1:2, and that's that. We didn't get any other plays here for this week on like the break, then retest towards the downside. That did not happen. Ended up being very bullish. Then we have all this was just choppy here. Did not take any trades here. So yeah, and I just saw something. Yeah, that's the recap on gold for this. Another trade we were looking at for this week was USD Swiss franc. On USD Swiss franc, we were looking for this type of plays. Let me even head down to the 1 hour. We had already broken this zone when I was analyzing this. Then I was waiting for a retest to go on to the upside. I didn't end up taking this trade because I think I was in gold at that time. Then it headed all the way up. Could have gotten 1:8 if you closed up here, because it did not end up going right to this zone. It ended up going down. Then we didn't take any other trades here because it got choppy. And the trade you could have taken here, since we broke this resistance and ended up wanting to retest it here, could have used the buy limit order to get in. Once it taps, then boom, hit all the way up. Or it just depends on you what you want to do. You could have gotten 1:3, 1:2, anything right there. That's what you could have gotten on this trade. It's another trade that we looked at on Sunday last week. So yeah, that's all on USD. Okay, here's another pair that we analyzed last week. Only one of the setups that I analyzed on this pair actually played out, and it was one that I was not expecting, but it played out right here. Okay, here we're looking for a retest on the zone. On Monday we're right here at this area. Then I was expecting for it to pull up, which it did. Then I was looking for a retest of the zone to go down, but what ended up happening was we broke the zone. Then if we broke, I was expecting for this retest, boom, go towards the upside. That's what I was expecting, but I didn't end up taking this trade because I was doing something. Plus, it ended up helping that I didn't take this trade because it faked out and boom, headed towards the downside. Then another play that we were looking for was a break of the zone, then boom, retest, go towards the downside. Could have gotten a 1:3, 1:2 somewhere here if you took it. It was a nice play that we had. Then We also had other trades on Euro USD, but Euro USD didn't play out as I expected, so didn't end up catching any trades really on Euro USD. So, but there's a good trade there. I see that we could have taken, which would have been great, really great. Would have broken the zone, then retest, boom, it was the downside. Would have been a really good trade, but I wasn't looking at the market that time, so we didn't end up catching this trade. So yeah, that's the recap done for this